Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the newest face of Money Nova, Miss Pao Fajardo. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much as well, Miss Marites. Please join us here, Miss Pao, on the stage as well as Miss Marites. What a beautiful dress. Oh my gosh, I love it.
Wow! Congratulations, Miss Pao Fajardo.
Yes, welcome, Miss Pao. How are you feeling tonight?
Feeling yung na-feeling ko, but super happy and thankful, especially kay Miss Marites po. Thank you po.